welcome to Just Enough Pieces. Today I'm going to be showing you how to modify your LEGO Star Wars Mandalorian Starfighter. I know there's people that don't really like its landing position because, as you can see from this right here, the whole front's just sitting down massively, so it doesn't look that good. So today I'm going to be showing you how to build a landing gear for it, as well as for those of you that don't like the stud shooters, an easy way to cover up that. And I'm also going to be modifying the front guns a little bit. And yeah, so that's it. So let's get into the build. So for the landing gear, it's going to be, this is what it looks like. So it's just made up of one of these pieces and one of these pieces, one of these, one of these pieces, little clip-ons, 1x1s, another one of those, and this piece. Now, you don't have to do any of these colors, but I just chose these because I thought they'd look good at the ship, because it's the same color design. So, to build it, you probably saw me take it apart. You just put this on, clip this onto there, so got that. Clip this on into the middle, so you should have this. Clip this on right here, should just slip right on over it. So you got that. Twist this on so though, make sure you get it nice and straight. Line up the middle, and then put it down a little, and clip this piece on, and that's your landing gear. And so, in order to put it on this onto the ship, the bottom, there's going to be this long plate on it right here, and so when you build it, your set should this plate's going to be all the way going right up to the end. So in order to put this landing gear on, I was able to just take this off, and I moved it back one, so I have the room right here. It's just the one for one room for 1x2. Just moved it back enough that I can fit this on. So you take this, clip it on there. I mean, so you can, it's a little weak, it might break off real easy. So you can put like a 2x2 over this, like a plate, just to cover it to make it more stable or sturdy. But I'm more into the look, so I just left it like this, so it still looks kind of sleek. And so yeah, that's for the landing gear part. So now I'm gonna show you for those of you that rather not see those stud shooters on it. Personally, I don't like it too much, but this is what really easy to fix that. So you just break this off right here. As you can see, this is very not super practical. And you take a 1x4 tile, and you put this on right where that was, and you do the same for both sides. Take another one, clip it right onto the side. It should look something like that. So yeah, that's that. Now you don't got stud shooters on the side. And so for the bottom, I noticed the original design, it almost basically just sat on the actual thrusters themselves. You notice the landing gear, you can actually see, if you look at that right in here, it's literally just floating and being held up by the thrusters. So in order to fix that, if you don't care, whatever, you can just leave it like that. But I just took a 1x1 black stud, just put that on the bottom here. Did that both sides, and now it sits very hard to see, but just enough that it barely clears those thrusters. So now it sits independently on its landing gears. So that's what that looks like. And now something you're probably gonna want to do if you're building this landing gear on here is, if you notice when you put this up, you put it up into like its position when it's not down. It's gonna kind of show pretty well for those guns right there, and that doesn't really look the best. So what I did, I don't really like the way the guns looked anyways. So this is kind of reminiscent of the older set that they made, and like, yeah, it was a while ago, but they made a pre-Vizsla mandalorian starfighter. So this kind of looks a lot similar. So I took one of these pieces. I just slipped it on over, about that much room in the middle right there, and I just did that with 2 of them. And you take this, it's basically just extending the original guns. Right now you can't even really see them, so this makes it a little more visible. You just put this on right over. It slips right over the original guns. It's actually pretty stable. So got that. Yeah, with the other one. Slip on right over. And I just lost my back guns. And that's what that looks like. So now, if you notice when you put the landing gear up, you still see it, but it doesn't look as bad because the guns are extended, so you don't really focus back there. And it doesn't look that bad as is anyways, but that's my modifications for the guns up there. So if you like that, you can do that as well. And yeah, that's basically all I'm doing in this video. Just modding that, and that's what the final product looks like with all the modifications done to it. Landing gear, no studs on the side, the guns, and the stud on the bottom there for the landing gear. And so, yeah, thanks for watching, and hope you enjoyed the video and it helped. Bye.